The Best Uses of Dynamic QR Codes Part 1. Real-world examples across industries. See how physical spaces become live digital touchpoints. In this video, you'll see real-world uses of dynamic QR codes across multiple industries, from restaurants and property to transport, public services, and interactive media, all powered by dynamic QR codes. Chapter 1. Restaurant Menus. In busy restaurants, menus change constantly. Printing new ones every day isn't practical. A simple QR code connects diners to a live digital menu. Today's specials, updated instantly. And that's where Xcan It turns a simple QR code into a menu that updates anytime. Chapter 2. Property signage. You spot a property you like, but you don't know the area. You can't remember the postcode, and now you're scrolling, trying to find it online. Or you can simply scan the QR code. This gives instant access to the exact property, full details, book a viewing, and when the house sells and the board moves, the board doesn't need to change. You simply update the QR code link in your dashboard, and the new property is live. Chapter 3. Tourism and Attractions. England is full of incredible history, but the story behind what you're looking at isn't always obvious. But a simple QR code changes that. Just scan with your phone, and the history begins to play. Audio guides, images, and stories appear right in your hand. No searching, no guessing. Just scan and explore. Chapter 4. London Underground. You see something interesting, but now you have to search for it. Scroll through ads, compare links, hope you found the right one, and the attention fades fast. Or you simply scan. One action, instant access, see real-time availability, book direct, no searching, no friction. That's the power of dynamic QR codes. Chapter 5. Road Signage. Up ahead, traffic suddenly slows. Cars begin to queue. No explanation. A roadworks sign. 8 weeks of disruption. But no details. No diversion. No updates. Just waiting. Now imagine the same sign, but with one simple addition. A QR code. Scan for live updates. One quick scan, instant information. Live traffic updates. Diversion routes. Expected delays. With dynamic QR codes, road signage becomes real-time communication. Chapter 6. Local Government. Local parks share important information. Maintenance updates, community notices, public guidance. But printed notices change all the time. Planning notices must be publicly displayed, but the full details rarely fit on the poster. Residents still need somewhere to go to see the full application. Now residents simply scan and see the full planning application online. Drawings, documents, consultation responses, and when the information changes, the council updates the link, the same QR code, instantly updated everywhere, and the same approach works across council services. Bus stop information, live arrival times, instant updates, recycling centres, clear guidance for every material, roadworks and diversions, real-time updates for drivers and pedestrians. Chapter 7. Gyms and Fitness. Starting a new exercise shouldn't feel like guesswork, but in busy gyms, many people face equipment they've never used before, and no clear instructions on how to begin. But a simple QR code changes that. Just scan with your phone, and the machine explains itself immediately. Step-by-step instructions appear instantly. Correct setup, proper form, and how to perform the movements safely. No confusion, no waiting for a trainer. Just scan, learn, and train with confidence. Chapter 8. Interactive Cinema Posters. Before a film starts, cinema foyers are full of people waiting. All around them are posters for upcoming movies. One quick scan lets visitors instantly watch the trailer, and when the trailer ends, they can book tickets right away. That's the power of dynamic QR codes. Every example you've just seen uses the same idea. Each QR code, complete control. Change the destination anytime. Update information in real time with no reprinting and no delays. If you're still using static QR codes, you're limiting what your physical assets can do. Start using dynamic QR codes instead. Try it free today, no credit card required. Get 10 dynamic QR codes that never expire. Go to xcan.it/start for free. It takes less than a minute to get started.